Hi again. And welcome to Bro Rudy Dezign channel. This time I will make a model of cup in simple step in Blender 3D. And how to put our own logo on it. So let's start. Shift+A. Make circle. Press Tab to edit mode. And press E to extrude. Press Z. Then extrude it. Press 1 on keyboard. To front viewport. Select the bottom side. Then press E to extrude. Then press S to scale smaller. Once again. Press E to extrude. Then press S to scale smaller. Then press F to close the vertice. Then press Tab to close edit mode. Go to Modifier. Choose Solidify. Give thickness 0.5. Go to Modifier. Then choose Subdivision Surface. Make level 3 and render 3. You need to apply the Solidify. Click on Object. Right-click your mouse. Choose Shade Smooth. Press Tab to edit mode. Then press Ctrl-R to add vertice. Bring the yellow line up by rotating your middle mouse button. Press Ctrl-R once more. And now bring the yellow line down by rotating your middle mouse button. Our coffee cup is almost done. We'll make the glass handle soon. Shift-A. To make object, choose Curve. Then Path. Press 1 in keyboard. To front view mode. Take the path to the top. Then press Tab to edit mode. Set by using the G key on the keyboard to the desired shape. Then press Tab to turn off edit mode. Then, go to Object Data, Properties. Click and choose Round. Add depth to 0.14. Extrude, 0. Resolution, 4. Set the handle position closer. Click 7 keys on keyboard. To look from the top view, We need to set the handle first. Now the position is right. Now, we need to join them. But I'd like to change depth into 1.18 first, to make it look better. Right-click on the handle. Then choose Convert to Mesh. Then choose Handle. Press Shift and hold. Then choose Cup. Then press right-click on your mouse. Choose Join. Now, the coffee cup is done. Shift A. Choose Plane. Scale it bigger. Press 3 keys on keyboard. To right view angle. Then move plane to lower position. Slide the plane back a little. Press Tab to edit mode. Choose Edge, then press E. Drag mouse a little to top. Press E again. Then once more. This time we make higher. Press N. Then choose Views. Then tick Camera to Views. Press 0 keys on your keyboard to see camera views. Press S to scale, and press X. Then scale it bigger to make background look full on camera. Click the plane. Then right-click. Then choose Shade Smooth. Now the background looks smooth. You can click on Shading to see World Shader. Then back again to Layout. Click to activate background. Go to Material. It is on the bottom. Now we give color on background. I choose blue. You can choose color what you like. Then go to Viewport Shading to see what it looks like now. Then we will coloring the cup. I like black. You can choose color you like. Don't forget to always save your project. Now we will put our logo on the cup.